Welcome to the Vision Screen training video. Let's start with materials needed and setup. Here you can see there's a wall chart, response card, and occlusion tools. You need to decide whether or not you will be having the child sitting or standing because the wall chart needs to be secured at eye level 10 feet from where the child will be. You can see the staff members reviewing the optotypes or shapes on the response card to ensure the child is consistent with their responses. Confirm that the child recognizes the wall chart and sees the same optotypes or shapes. Start screen by covering one eye. The child may choose to verbally respond with the previous shapes discussed, or they may point to the response card. Both options are acceptable. Using your finger or a paper seen in the screen, start at the age-appropriate line, going from shape to shape as the child responds. Make sure to give the child time, and as long as they get 4 out of 5 shapes correct, they pass for that eye. Switch occlusion tool to the other eye and go through the same process, allowing the child to identify the shapes verbally or by pointing at the response card. Beginning again at the age-appropriate line, move from shape to shape as the child identifies it. As long as they get 4 out of 5 correct, they pass. Here's a run-through of what a potential fail could look like. Starting at the age-appropriate line with an eye covered, move from shape to shape as stated before. If the child does not get 4 out of 5 correct, you move up a line and begin the process again, moving shape to shape as they identify them. In this example, the child continues to not identify 4 out of 5 shapes correctly in the line, so the staff member continues to move up until the child correctly identifies the shapes in that line. From here, we would mark down which line they accurately identified 4 out of 5 shapes and record that along with a failure. Move on to the next eye and repeat the same process, starting at the age-appropriate line, moving from shape to shape. The child does not get 4 out of 5 correct, you move up a line. Continue this process until the child gets 4 out of 5 shapes correctly identified. As you can see, for both eyes, the child did not identify 4 out of 5 correctly for their age, and it has failed. Thank you for watching the Vision Screens training video, and please keep in mind the COVID-19 precautions listed.